If you are experiencing a slower than normal flow rate, no need to worry. If you start to notice the flow rate of your filter decreasing, or it is becoming difficult to pump, this may be a sign that it is time to replace your carbon filter. To check if the carbon filter is the cause of the slow flow rate, you can try cleaning each filter element in addition to backwashing the ultrafilter pre-filter. Backwashing helps flush out any particles that may be clogging the pre-filter, which would slow down the flow rate. If you have backwashed your Survivor Filter Pro and the flow rate has still not improved, you will know that the carbon filter has been used to capacity and it is time to replace it. Another reason your flow rate might be decreased or it may be difficult to pump is because of the buildup of air inside your filter causing pressure. Sometimes air can become trapped inside portable water filters, but we are happy to report that there is a simple solution to this issue. To relieve the pressure inside your filter, simply unscrew the head of the internal ultrafilter and lift it up, which will release the trapped air. You may hear a hissing noise or a quiet pop. After the air has been released, retighten the internal ultrafilter and continue pumping normally. You and your filter are now ready to get back to the adventure. Thank you for watching this video. We have created 2 separate videos about cleaning and backwashing the Pro, which you can take a look at on our YouTube channel.